website. We are going to try to finish the website today. So, that's all besides the point. The point right now is that we are going to be running this website right now. We are going to open a new terminal and we're going to do npm start. And I did it in. Not a good thing to do. Wait, what? React start script. Complete logos. But node modules missing. Do you mean npm install? Npm install. I thought about it a little bit, and I actually thought, why do this? Why not when I do onClick, have a link, just use React router. It'll have each one of my things separate, and I'll do that. Okay, so no, that's not the end router. There. I cannot find module and its corresponding declaration. All inputs on declaration I use. React dash router dash DOM. You'll be able to run npm install again. Oh, I didn't save. Submit a batch job, yes, and do it again. Okay, so how does it work? How does it react? So I do router. Oh, I put a router around everything. Okay. There. Okay. And then route. Oh. That'll be a good way to test it. I need to figure out this though. Or its corresponding type. Maybe I need to do npm install react router DOM. Ah, yeah, that's probably it. There we go. And now it should probably work. Yeah, it works now. Okay. And now I should be able to do npm start. And it's running. And I got an error. Okay. Exact. Wait, let me try something. Let me try and reopen Visual Studio Code. Do I get an error anywhere? I got an error at the same spot. Great. There's a lot of things that I need to fix. Oh my days, why does everything has to be broken? I just wonder why it doesn't work like this. This should make sense. This does not make sense. I'm sad because I'm hard stuff. What happens if I rename this? Remove this any here. I do. Yeah, start. I got an error. Okay, you know what? I should have never done this whole thing. I overcomplicated everything with this. Okay, there we go. There we go. Runs. It doesn't run. Why does it not run? Wait, I need GitHub desktop up quick. And I need to go history. The good thing about having GitHub. Oh, you know what? I could. Oh, wait. I could have just done here. Discard changes. Discard changes. I go on TSX now, it should have the right files. It should be back in a state where it actually is not busted. Okay, yes. Good, 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 good. And if I run now, my React is still broken. Oh wait, I need a npm start. I also need to go to package.lock and I need to remove this thing. Alright. Let me think. Wait, now it's now it's broken. Oh, why? Why? I didn't do anything. I have some stuff to do off stream. Wow, I tried to fix things and I broke him horribly wrong. Yeah, my goal was to try and publish the website today. I broke it, that's what I did. And I have no clue how and why. Let me do this. Let me go to GitHub. And let me delete all my current changes. Discard all changes, discard all changes. At least you can see it now. At least, okay. I'll deal with this. Okay. Yeah, I'll just continue, it's fine. Are you serious? No, I broke my OBS as well. Everything is broken. Oh my. I've managed to break everything. Try to see if I can read. At least you can see the website version. If it works. Please. Okay, oh, okay. Ooh, okay, good. So that works at least. Be wondering what that little thing in the bottom corner is. Well, it means that in 25 falls, I play some Phasmophobia. Solo. I'm not leaving the house unless I figure out what kind of ghost it is. And to figure out what kind of ghost it is, I need to figure out the I need to get some evidence. Which I haven't got yet. Oh, the EMF is going crazy. Oh my days! It just do that. Please, man. We good? We good. No, we're not good. We're not good. No. No. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, hit the like button. I mean, if you want to comment down below, go comment down below.